Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, I'll discuss about two important candlestick patterns. So I have already made a series of candlestick pattern. You can watch my previous videos. So in this, I'll discuss about two more candlestick pattern. One is tweezer top pattern and tweezer bottom pattern. So first, let's understand the tweezer bottom pattern. So what does it mean? The tweezer bottom pattern occurs when two candlesticks have the same low, indicating that there is a potential support in the market. This pattern suggests that sellers initially pushed the price down, but buyers have entered the market at the same level, creating support. तो सेलर ने तो पुश कर दिया है, but buyers enter कर गए हैं same level पे. And tweezer bottom patterns are very powerful when they occur at the bottom of a downward trend and signal a potential reversal or pause in the downtrend. तो ये एक रिवर्सल की तरफ इंडिकेट करता है और ट्रेडर इसे कंसीडर कर सकते हैं दैट बाइंग अबोव द हाई ऑफ द कैंडल एंड सेटिंग अ स्टॉप लॉस बिलो द लो ऑफ द कैंडल. So here is the picture of that. You can refer what I have discussed. Now let's understand what is tweezer top pattern. So tweezer top pattern basically occurs when two candlesticks have the same highs, indicating there is potential resistance in the market. So this pattern suggests that buyers initially have pushed the price up, but sellers have entered the market at the same level, creating a resistance. So this is just opposite of tweezer bottom pattern. वहां पर support हो रहा था, यहाँ पर आपका resistance create होगा. फिर tweezer top patterns are very powerful when they occur at the top of an uptrend and signal a potential reversal or pause in the uptrend. So trader can consider like shorting or selling below the low of the candle and setting a stop loss basically above the high of the candle. This is what I have shown in the picture. So if you understood this, please do write in the comment section. If you want to know about more patterns, candlestick pattern, or about any other indicator, please do write in the comment section below. So see you again in my new video. So thank you everyone, and please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.